When using Microsoft Project, you will probably need as much screen real estate as you can get. So collapsing the ribbon will come in handy. Right-click on the ribbon, check the Collapse the Ribbon option. If you want to restore the collapsed ribbon, the process is very simple. Right-click on the ribbon, uncheck the Collapse the Ribbon option. Sometimes, the timeline view can limit the amount of data you can see in your screen. It is easy to hide it though. Go to the View tab of the ribbon and check the timeline checkbox. One of the most useful panes in Microsoft Project is the Details pane. Let's see how we can make the Details pane visible and set the task form to be displayed in it. Go to the View tab of the ribbon, check the Details checkbox, make sure that the task form is selected in the adjacent drop-down menu. There is one more way to show the display pane in the bottom of our screen. If you have the Task tab of the ribbon selected, this is a one-step process. Click on the Details button of the ribbon. Microsoft Project has a lot of predefined views designed to fulfill any requirements a project manager may have. One of the most useful is the Team Planner view. This is how you enable the Team Planner view. Go to the View tab of the ribbon, click on the Team Planner view. Besides the many views you can find in the ribbon, Project offers dozens more hidden in its menus. Let us see how we can enable one of them. Go to the View tab of the ribbon, click on Other Views, click on More Views, select the Milestone Roll-Up view. If you do enjoy the video, please take the time to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified of these videos when we release them. Make sure to click on the bell icon as well to be notified for all our new videos. By default, Project shows you the Gantt chart view, but it is possible to make it show you one of the other views when creating a new project if you want. Here is how. Go to the File menu, click on Options. In the General tab, set the default view to the required one. One of the common sources for mistakes when creating a project is a spelling mistake when typing the name of a resource. Microsoft Project can protect you from this mistake as long as you allow it to by enabling the following option. Go to the File menu, click on Options, click on Advanced, and check the checkbox Automatically add new resources and tasks for the current project. One setting which you can enable that should probably have been enabled by default, since it is arguably the most powerful auto-scheduling tool of Microsoft Project, is this one. Go to the File menu, go to Options, click on Schedule, check the box New tasks are effort-driven in the section Scheduling options for this project. Click on OK. Even if you didn't have auto-scheduling enabled by default when you create a new project, you can always easily enable it following these steps. Go to the bottom left of the Microsoft Project window. Change to Automatically Scheduled.